All right, guys, you have reached Regina TV, and today I'm going to show you how I'm going to clean this high traffic area on my rug. Now, my rug is clean, all except for this area right here, as you can see. And this is where we cut through to get to the table and everything. Now, guys, I'm going to tell you, this stuff right here is not the easiest stuff to find, but it works really, really well. So what I'm going to do is spray it on really thick. On this carpet part right here. And then I'm going to get a sponge. And I'm going to rub it in real good. Then I'm going to vacuum it up. Now, out of all the carpet cleaners that I use, this one has really done wonders. And that's why I still use it. I know I haven't told you what it is, but you probably can guess by now. The name of this is Tough Stuff. Okay? All right, guys, so I got me some water here. And I got me just a little sponge. You can use a sponge, a towel, whatever you feel like you need to use. And I'm not going to do the whole area because I want you all to be able to see the difference. My water is turning brown. My water is turning brown. That's how good the stuff works. Let me see if I can get you to see it. Look at that water. Okay, guys, so now what I'm about to do is just vacuum. Okay, by the carpet being wet, I don't know what it has done yet, so I'm going to let it dry, and then we're going to come back and see if the Tough Stuff worked. All right, guys, well, it looked like the Tough Stuff worked. So this is the high traffic area that was once really dirty, and I just did the corner, and now you see that it's clean. So yes, it's a 10. The Tough Stuff works. All right, guys, well, you have reached Regina TV. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell down below so you'll know my next video is coming out. And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.